Yeah. You can wave it. Yeah. Wave it, baby. Wave it, baby.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today with a revamped DIY that I am going to do. I made a mirror, a flower mirror, last year. I think it was last year for my sister, and I liked it so much. And I thought, you know what, I'm going to make one for myself. But with what I made for my sister, I used large mirrors from the Dollar Tree. And this one for me, I'm going to use the small mirrors because I like the way, like I seen some mirrors online with the small square mirrors, and I like how they look. So I said I'm gonna make my flower mirror with the small square mirrors from the Dollar Tree. So these are the items that we'll be using for today's DIY, and everything will be listed down below. Even though it's not a lot of stuff, it's just the mirrors, the foam board, and some flowers. Any flowers of your choice. Yeah. Anyways, I will still list everything down below for you guys. And if you're not subscribed, go ahead and press that subscribe button. And don't forget to ring the bell so you'll be notified every time I come to another DIY to share with you all. Alright everyone, you know what time it is. It's time to let's get started. Okay, we have our foam board here. I have black, but you can use white also. And then we have our mirrors, and I took the little stickers and tabs that they have on the back. And now we're just going to place it onto our foam board to get our pattern. And now I'm just centering it a bit to make sure it's in the center of the foam board. And then we are going to use some E6000 and glue down our mirrors. E6000 and some hot glue and glue on our mirrors. And you can use any adhesive that you would like to use to glue down these mirrors. It's fine. And now they're all glued down, we're going to take our flowers that we'll be using from the Dollar Tree. And we're just going to take them off. And this little thing here, I'm going to use some glue and glue it down so it keeps the flower in place. And we're just going to clip off the tab. Yeah, because it won't lay down flat if that little tab is on there. Again, glue it down and then just snip it off. And I'm just going to use some hot glue and glue down our flowers going right around. Just using the hot glue to glue on the flowers will be fine because you're gluing them onto the foam board, and the glue holds good to the foam board because the flowers are light. This is a quick and easy DIY, and the finished look will be elegant and nice. And here is our project turned upside down. I will be using 13 large command strips to hang up the mirror on the wall. Yes, I told you I always use command strips to hang up my projects, and you have to use enough. I don't go by what they say. I always use extra, and it holds up my projects. As you see throughout my home, everything that I DIY'd is still hanging up. Yes, you have to use enough command strips, especially when hanging up mirrors. Just use enough command strips and it will hold. If you have a lighter project, then you can use less command strips, and then your project will hold on the wall perfect, just like mine do. And here's our finished look. I love how it looks with the silver flowers. I think it looks absolutely beautiful. And the mirrors, oh, the mirrors look so nice, all lined up together. I'm not sure if it's on Pottery Barn's style I saw this, or Z Gallery, but I was online and I saw this mirror pattern and I absolutely loved how it looks. And of course I had to add my flowers to it. I think it looks absolutely beautiful. And this is where I placed it, above the couch. I think it looks super cute. I like it. I think it looks nice and elegant. And again, the mirrors all lined up together. Isn't that such a nice effect, you guys? I absolutely love how it looks. And again, using items from the Dollar Tree. Everything I use is from the Dollar Tree. Diva on a budget. I'm not paying hundreds of dollars for those mirrors like they have online. Oh no, when I can do it much better with items using from the Dollar Tree. Alright everyone, tell me what you think of today's DIY. Leave me a comment down below. And like I always say, if you're not subscribed, go ahead and press that subscribe button. And don't forget to ring the bell so you'll be notified every time I upload another DIY. Alright everyone, thank you so much for coming on and seeing my revamp mirror from the Dollar Tree. Yes. And remember, as always, stay blessed from Petalisbless. And I will catch you on the next one. Bye bye everyone.